Hello all traders, today is Friday 21st of March 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating above the previous day close and started to go down during the Asian session and retested this level during the London session and continued to go down. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price went down slightly more and found the support. And then buyers came back and pushed the price higher and it passed the previous day low and close. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down and after the price have a deep pullback and retest this level of previous day low and the sellers come back, take a sell short position in a well-established downtrend, or if it passed this level and retested and the buyers come back, take a long position in a well-established uptrend. So when I came back around 10 o'clock, the price was testing this level on Nasdaq and it got rejected here as you see on the shadow of this candle, and this wave of downtrend was formed. So I took this sell short position with setup B here, one position on Nasdaq, one on Dow Jones with setup T which was more bearish, and another sell short position with setup B on S&P 500. And all these positions were closed in the lower area of the channel with profit, as you see here the exits. And if we look at the stats on this account, we see that it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated, as we reached 100% win rate from the 3 sell short position taken, with the average winning trades of 474 and the largest winning trade of $680. So that's a summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm account, these are the list of trades that I have taken this week. As you see, it was taken on DAX, S&P 500, Nasdaq mainly, and these are profit and loss of these trades here. And as a result of these trades this week, we reached a total profit of $121.81 with the profit factor of 1.46. So from the 388 trades taken so far on the second stage of this challenge, we had 303 winners, resulting in 78% win rate. And this shows the equity curve of the account that is growing consistently, and we had a small drawdown here as a result of high volatility, and we used a smaller lot size, and then when the price became more trendy last week, we increased the lot size to 0.1 and compensated this drawdown, and now with $121 profit, we are $80 away to pass the second stage of the challenge and reach the 4% profit target and get funded. And this shows the percentage of active drawdown of the account. And as you see, we kept it around 1%, which is 5 times less than the 5% daily loss limit imposed by the prop firm in order to pass the challenge. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures and a small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.